Hello, guys. Again, this is Milan here at the Nikolov Agency. I'll just continue with the next video to show you the next thing you should watch for and ask whether or not it's done correctly for you. Whether it's I'm just using for the simplicity sake progressive. It really the same thing applies to any company when any for hire tracking company. Those questions are very crucial to the rate, to underwriting, and for the policy being properly done. In the last video, we covered how important it is if the DOT is included or it's going to be included in the quoting. As you saw, we were talking about $7,000 difference in this particular case per year, which is very significant. Um, but let's say this question is answered correctly, hopefully. Whoever is doing it for you, whether you're doing it, even if you're doing it for yourself, I hope you do it correctly, but because you can do it, it's not that you have to do it through an agent necessarily. So the next thing to really watch for would be entering the correct address that's associated with your credit file. The way all these systems are designed, they are designed to give you a rate based on your risk factor, and a big part of your risk factor it's your credit rating. This is one of the reasons, and that's the main reason why we're getting such a high rate on that example video, because this is like a fictitious person that we just made up with a with just a random address, and therefore the system cannot verify the risk factor, and it's giving you the highest available rate. So putting the correct address for the policyholder that it's associated with that person will make the difference between having a sometimes will really make the difference between having a $30,000 a year policy and $10,000 a year policy with everything else being exactly the same. So that's going to be the next thing you should definitely watch for when you're being quoted, or especially if you are trying to do it yourself, to make sure that this is done correctly. And in the next video, I'll show you the next big thing you should be watching for.